Hey, I just want to make a quick video on how to set up DxWnd to run with Secret Agent Barbie. So the first thing is obviously install and extract DxWnd. You can put it wherever you want. Once you open it up, right-click and hit Import. Navigate to wherever you installed DxWnd, and you'll have an Exports folder there. Just open that up and find, we can just search it here, or you can scroll down to find it. There's a Secret Agent Barbie already here in the list. You can see, oh, I just go past it right there. Secret Agent Barbie, or you can just type it in there. That's the one you want to open, and it's going to set up a profile here. Now, we actually have to modify this profile further. So in here, make sure expert mode is checked off. If you don't have it checked, it'll be the only option. So make sure it's checked off, and then right-click and modify that new version. The first thing you have to do is go to your path here, and actually find this just as a default dummy path. You just want to go on here and navigate to where it is. So I'm going to go to C, Program Files, Barbie TM, Secret Agent Barbie, and then you can use this one. I personally have mine, the exe I use is there. Just find your secretagent.exe and click on that. Now in the generic section, we want to check off lower background priority. Then we want to go to mouse, click hide. This will make it so if you tab out and back in, you don't have a floating mouse cursor in the middle. It'll still just use the in-game cursor. Then we go to input. We're going to unacquire input devices and focus lost right here. Uncheck that and check off scale mouse relative movement. And this will make it so when you tab out, it'll actually work properly. Assuming, at least in software, your hardware may cause some different things to happen. And then scale mouse relative movement will make it so as you move your mouse in the game, it is scaled relative to what your normal mouse feel is on your computer. And lastly, go to DirectX and check off by default set no alpha channel. And this will prevent an error with the Z buffer. And now once we have all these things checked off, we can hit try. Mine is up just outside the capture region, but you can see it's booting up here. All of this should be correct. So we should be able to skip through all the cutscenes here, have it boot into the main screen, no errors here. And now we can just go ahead and load or create a new game here, and everything works fine. So, yep, that's it. Once you're done, just click OK, and you can now run this from DxWnd as you go. You're going to have to make sure that your CD is in or your ISO is mounted if you're using an ISO. If you are, the easiest way to mount it is just to right-click and say Open with Windows Explorer. But as long as you have your CD in, you can just run it straight from DxWnd. So that's it. I already have this other one, though, so I'm going to delete this profile and leave it at that. Hope that helps.